Navigation settings in Google Sites. On the main page, you're going to see a gear wheel in the top. I'm going to go ahead and click it, and the first one is navigation. And now I can change where my menu is for my different pages. So I can put it on the side or I can put it on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and change it to black and on the side. And I'm going to leave the search as it is. I'm going to go ahead and get out of the settings here, and I'm going to preview this so you can see what it looks like. So now I've got my navigation on the side instead of along the top. But if I want it back on the top, let me go back into the settings here. Click on the gear wheel, and I'm going to choose it from the side, go back to the top, and I'm going to change it from black to transparent. Leave the rest as it is, and you'll now see now that my navigation is along the top. One more time, I'm going to preview, and you're going to see there it is. There's home page, page 1, and page 2. Remember, you could also hide some of those pages from navigation. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.